Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change user agent in Firefox. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is go to URL box and then type in here about config just like this here and enter. Now click on accept this risk, it's completely safe. And on this box here, search box, we are going to type in here general.useragent.override and you will get this option. Click on this string option here and click on plus. Now you can input a different user agent string here. Order to find the most popular user agent string, just go for, so you just have to write this here and it will lead you to this web page here, and we have got popular user agent strings here. Now you can copy from any of this user agent, copy the full user agent, control C and go back to this tab here and paste here, control V. Now click on tick box and close this tab. Now if you launch any website here and it will change the user, the default landing page of YouTube had changed and it will look like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change user agent in Firefox. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.